Success, write this down, is a result of decisions. Whatever you are right now, you decided to become. Don't you blame anyone for your predicament right now. Success is a result of decisions. Whatever you decide determines your destiny. In other words, everyone becomes what they decide to be. I decided to be successful, so I decided not to smoke. Because when I wrote my vision on paper at age 14, I saw my vision. I wrote it on paper. I want to travel around the world. I want to build buildings. I want to bring an educational system into the world. I want to own my own aircraft. I want to become a counselor. I want to become a consultant to countries. I wrote it down. I want to be an advisor to governments. At age 14, I wrote that down. So I knew if I start taking drugs, having sex, and drinking alcohol, the alcohol will kill my liver, the smoke will destroy my lungs, and the sex will give me a baby I can't pay for. So my vision determined my discipline. Say it with me. Vision determines discipline. If you don't know where you're going, you'll do anything with your life. Purpose brings discipline.
Are you a kingdom without a king? Are you so busy managing the emotional relationships that you have that you don't have the energy to think the thoughts you need to think to go where you need to go? Are you so busy managing your feelings and the feeling of the people around you and trying to make them feel what you feel and need what you need and want what you want that you're not making progress in life? Because you are leading with your heart and not with your head. You can't cry your way out. You can't fuss your way out. You done snapped your neck 4 or 5 times and it didn't change your life. The definition of lunacy is to keep doing the same thing expecting a different result. So why are you doing what doesn't work? If flipping out on her isn't working, why are you still doing it? If giving him a piece of your mind hadn't worked in the first 15 years, wouldn't it be a good time now to change strategies? Why are we loyal to ineffectiveness? Why are we loyal with ineffectiveness? We date effectiveness, but we marry ineffectiveness. We visit effectiveness for the weekend, on a Sunday, in a motivational message, in a special television show. We love to visit it, but we are married to habits that are ineffective, and we are loyal to things that we know don't work, but because this is how I feel. Take unto you the helmet of salvation.
I had so many women that tried to have sex with me because I'm a good-looking brother. When I was 17 years old, I was producing music that became the #1 hit songs in our country. Every station was playing our music. At 17, we were the most famous group in the whole country, and we had concerts packed with kids, thousands of them, and the girls would come on the front row because we were all handsome brothers. And they would try to talk to us afterwards and get us to take them out and take them in their cars and have sex with us. And I would say to them, the minute you ask me for sex, you are no longer my friend. Why? You are a distraction and a demon. Write this down. A true friend is one who can help you get to your destiny. I'm going to say it again. A true friend is anyone who will help you get to your destiny. So if anyone wants you to do anything that stops you from your destiny, that's not a friend, that's an enemy. Decisions determine success. So when I got married to my wife at age 25, I was a virgin. So was my wife. Let me tell you, young people, why God says don't fornicate. Here's why. Write it down. So that you will enjoy your memories. God wants you to live your whole life with good memories, not regrets. So he protects you by giving you laws to protect your memory.
There is a shift going on in your life, and it starts with your head. 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 The slave masters knew it. You can teach the slaves how to do anything but read. Why was reading forbidden? Because if you got it in your head, you could get it in your life. They said our change cannot hold an informed head. When your head comes out, it won't be long until everything begins to shift. Touch your neighbor and tell them, I feel a shift.